2021 Dodge Charger Red Eye Hellcat. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Again. There's sound decibels. So it's right at 111, 112. Make sure you guys hit up my boy at Demon Vibes on his YouTube channel. Follow it. He's got some really nice builds. So 2021 Dodge Charger Hellcat Red Eye. Really beautiful car. If you want to watch his build, go to Demon Vibes on YouTube. Got factory converters there and there. Then what we did, he wanted it as loud as possible. So we eliminated the X pipe and did 2.5-inch system all the way back. As you guys can see, eliminated the active exhaust there and there, and continued the 2.5 all the way back into sub 5-inch roll tips by 18s right there. There she is. 5-inch completes the look, and it just came up. It just completes it. It makes it beautiful. And like always, guys, there's the old resonators, mufflers, X-pipe, valves, all that stuff. We don't like any of that. We like to take it all off. That's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. Just wait till you hear it, boys and girls. Decibels. 125, bro. That's crazy. 125. Hey, that's the demon cat right there. Y'all know what time it is. And like I told you guys before, make sure you follow him on YouTube. Demon Vibe. Again? Oh my God. Wow. Let you guys hear on the inside. You know what time it is, guys? Red Eye time. Hellcat, Red Eye. True dual straight pipe. 2.5 for a little bit back pressure. No X pipe. X pipe deleted. Everything's deleted. 5-inch tips. Still got factory converters. It shakes your ears, man. Look at that idle. Listen to that idle. Beautiful. We appreciate my boy bringing it out. And like always, guys, make sure you hit up his YouTube channel. It's called Demon Vibes. Again, make sure you hit it up, okay? He's got a track hawk on there. This one, he's got a demon. A bunch of stuff. You'll like it. And once you know who it is, then you'll really like it. I'm not gonna say till you go check it out, guys. And you know, comment on this, say Exhaust Addict sent you guys. Show him some support and love, because he always comes to us.